Good evening, my dear. How are you today? Ciao, happy Monday. How are you today? I can see you. Are you there? No. How are you today, my dear? How are you?
Papa, the sex papa, the papa.
What?
Queen.
How are you today? How are you? What? What did you say? Can you please tell teacher? How are you today? How are you today? I can't hear you well. Did you eat dinner today?
Papa, papa,
Knock knock.
con vịt con
Listening 30.
Knock knock. Knock knock. Are you there?
trong bên một đêm đẹp vàng
Hello.
sông vượt lâm
Are you there? I can't hear you. Hello. Where's Kang? I can't see him. How are you today, my dear? How are you today?
Potato, 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 potato. Potato, 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 potato. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
How are you today, my dear?
I'm fine, oh my.
Did you eat dinner today?
No.
Oh, you didn't eat? Why? Why you didn't eat? Why you didn't eat today?
Tôi cần số nhiều. Nó không phải số này.
What did you eat?
Nó thấy nổi luôn.
What?
Không phải nổi. Papo, kita phổi bắt kita ngơ tàu bây giờ bỏ con biết tiếng sâu ta. Cái gì? Cái tên là Lưu Thùng Lâm. Biết chưa?
What did you eat
Vậy
today? Okay. Did you eat dinner today? Did you eat dinner today? Did you eat dinner? Why? Because you didn't eat. Okay, so we will continue our class today. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen today? Is it, can you see the screen?
No.
Is it true?
Nhiều sương mù đi.
You can see my screen. How about this one? Can you see now?
Don't she?
Can you see now my screen?
Oh, Nini. Salamat.
Can you
Sigma,
see?
sigma pa.
Can you see now my screen today?
No. No, 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 no.
Is it
No,
true?
no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Oh, look at this one.
Boys and boys
Can you see now my screen?
Hay là sương mù nhiều thế. Ôi, xinh ha. Xinh quá, xinh quá. Ôi, xinh quá, xinh quá. Sương mù dày đặc. Xinh quá vui. Thêm một quả ballerina nữa.
Okay, can you see now my screen? Okay, you have to listen carefully and then answer this question. What does Betty need to do next? And what did Betty forget to do? So you have to listen this one carefully.
3. What does Betty need to do next?
Before you start, have you washed your hands, Betty? It's very important to have clean hands when you're cooking.
I did that before I came to class, miss.
Good. Now could you get a bowl from that cupboard over there?
Okay, Mrs. Hall.
And you need to write all the information about temperature and cooking times in your book. But you can do that later.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
4. What did Betty forget to do?
Did you remember to put some sugar in the bowl, Betty?
Yes, Mrs. Hall.
And a little bit of salt?
Yes, I did that too. But, Mrs. Hall, they don't look very brown.
Well, that's because you didn't turn the cooker on, Betty.
Oh, no.
Don't worry. You can cook them now and come and collect them later.
Thanks, Mrs. Hall.
Okay, my dear, can you please answer this question? These pictures. What does Betty need to do next? What did she do first? Can you please put your answer in the box? 1, 2, 3. No. She did that first. She do this one. Okay, how about number 4? What is your answer? What did Betty forget to do? What did Betty forget to do, my dear? What is your answer number 4? Can you please check your answer? What did she forget to do? If you listen carefully the audio. Okay. I will reveal the answer. This one.
Yang
She
cappuccino.
forget to turn on the oven. Okay. So next, read and choose the letter. So what shall we get mom for her birthday? Example. Where should we buy one from? Okay, we will read first the oh, okay. I think she had like a bracelet. Sophia is talking to his brother. Oliver, read the conversation and choose the best answer. Write a letter A to H for each questions. You don't need to use all the letters. Okay, my dear, number 1 question. Where should we buy one from? Where did they buy one from? What is your answer, my dear? You have to choose the answer on the box. Where should we buy one from? Where should be? What is the answer of Oliver when they had a conversation? Where should we buy one from? Letter A, is it letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, F, G, H? What is your answer, my dear? Where did she buy one from, my dear? Can you please choose the box in the your answer in the box? What is the
Sophia,
answer?
what that? I don't know. One for money, one for
Letter H. We could go to the city center. How about number 2? Okay, let's catch a train. What platform is it? Okay, good job.
Đúng luôn, đánh vừa cũng đúng.
Okay, what is your number? What is your answer number 3? Okay, how about number D? Well, how shall we pay for our tickets then? Let's ask mom for some. Okay, how about number 5? What is your answer? C. Okay, good idea. Okay. Next, vegetable collecting games. So click on the pig or the cow to collect vegetables.
Video. Mình lại chạy sang đấy.
Okay. So how can you say it in English? What's this?
Olive. Olivers. Olivers.
Very good. Good job.
Knife.
What is this?
Knife.
Knife.
Good job. Next, when I eat too many biscuits, it made me so
Bored. Bartender. What? Sad.
when I
Tired.
because he ate too many biscuits. Okay, to send a letter, we need an
Envelope and floor.
To send a letter, we need an
Water and soap. Envelope and stamp.
good job. Okay, eat blanks like chicken. I'm so hungry now.
Test. Test. Feel. Feel. Smell.
Good job. When Emma saw her broken doll, it makes her
Sad.
good job. We should bring a blank and a blank in cold weather. What is your answer?
Hat and crop.
Good job. Would you like some bread and butter?
Yes, thanks.
Good job.
Anh thắng tôi mấy chục lần.
Okay, we will have here our next topic. It's all about okay, my dear, we will have here our next topic about school. Did you go to school today?
Sao lại math? Math là toán mà.
Did you go to school today?
Math.
No, did you go to school today?
I don't know.
You didn't know? Go to school today?
Thầy thì làm gì cả?
Is it did you go to school today?
I don't know.
Why? You didn't know.
Is Vietnamese, math, English.
Oh, okay. So today, my dear, we will going to talk about school. Okay. So today, first, we have here the, what is this? What's this? Can you please read this one? Can you please read that one? What's that?
Vocabulary.
Okay, good job. Okay, what's this?
Math. Math. Math to science.
Maths.
Math.
Good job. Very good. How about this one? What's this?
Science.
Science.
Good job. How about this one?
Sport.
Sport.
Good job. How about this one?
Global.
Geography.
Can you say it again? What's this?
Wait,
What's this?
wait.
What is this?
Graphic.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. What's this?
Yeah. Bank.
History.
Bank. Oh, history.
Yes, good job. How about this one? What's this?
Lịch sử. History.
What's that?
Thank you. I don't know. I don't know.
Art.
What's that?
Art.
Good job. Very good. Next. What's this? What's this?
Music.
Music.
Good
Music.
job. How about this one?
Xiên cho bây giờ.
Salve, ciao, hello, hola, bonjour. What's that?
English.
Oh, wait.
Languages.
What's that? Can you say it? Can you please read it again? What's this?
Languages.
Good job. Very good. Okay, so that is the vocabulary about school subjects in our school. Okay, so find the school subject and color the lines.
Chirori. Chirori. Chirori.
Can you please color the lines, my dear? Just like this, for example, in sports, color, what's that color? It's this. Okay, so we have to color this one. Color. Yeah,
Cái này bị hỏng rồi. Không?
just like this, my
Tôi đi
dear.
vào tủ của tôi nè.
Here. You have to
What
color
do you mean?
this line in the balloons.
No.
Okay, can you please color the line of the balloon?
Đây. Để anh đây chỉ cho. Science. Art. Sport.
Yes, can you please color the lines, my dear, just like this. The color of geography is color violet, so you have to
Geography.
yeah, just like that one, my dear.
History. Music.
No, that's not like that. I mean, you have to color just like this in green. You have to color that one, the line that's suit in the color balloon. It's color, ano, my dear? The color of the balloon, you have to, same color with the balloon when you color the lines. For example, in science, color green. How about the art? What is the color of balloon of art? You have to color that line.
Con đường yêu nữa đò tâm mơ cơ từ số ác
Okay, just like this one. So geography is color violet. Art is yellow. Languages is color blue. The balloon, what's that? Music is color red. Orange is maths. And color violet is sports. So that's the one you to color that line. Okay, next. What is the subject has the longest line, my dear? Can you see what is this what is the subject's longest line?
Nick. Một đây là Lily. Và đây là Lexer. Nick. Trên con đường kim nữa.
What subject has the longest line? Can you please give me
Science.
answer? Okay, very good. Good job. It's a science. Okay. Okay, tell your friends about subjects you do at school. Okay. Which subjects do you like and why? Which subjects do you like, my dear? Which subjects do you like and why, my dear? What is the subject do you like? Which subject? Is it math, English, languages, geography, arts, music? So which subjects do you like and why? For example, I like music because I like to sing all the time. How about you? Which subject do you like and why?
Viết là em rất thích em thích em chơi với các em thích và chơi với các bạn rất nhiều trò chơi, nhưng trong số đấy em thích nhất là trò đổi bát.
Which subject do you like, my dear, and why?
Which subject was difficult? Why?
Okay, again, my dear, which subjects do you like and why?
I like math because math is funny.
Okay, how about which subjects are difficult and why?
Subject is Vietnamese.
Okay, for example, I think math is difficult for me because I'm not good at
I
numbers.
think Vietnamese is difficult.
For me, because
No.
I don't understand it. Can you please say that again? Which subjects are difficult? I think Vietnamese subject are difficult because I don't understand. Can you please say it again?
think Vietnamese is difficult because I don't understand.
Okay, good job. How about what's your favorite subject and why? What is your favorite subjects? My favorite for example, my favorite subject is history because I really want to learn about other cultures. So how about you? What is your favorite subjects? And why? My dear, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject, my dear?
My favorite subject is math. Math
Because
because it is difficult.
Em thích nhất là trò gì thì viết vào. Trò gì?
can you please say it again, my dear? My favorite
Trò
subject
gì?
is math because
I don't know.
Thế thì ghi trò đuổi bắt đi.
why you did
Hiếu viết cờ chứ đừng có ca nhá.
why your favorite is math, my dear?
Vậy em thích nhất.
Why? Okay, how about which subject do you have tests in? For example, I have tests in most of the subjects like geography, languages, and what? How about you? Can you please say it again? Can you please say this one? I have tests in most of the subject like what? Okay, my dear. What is your test? Which subjects do you have tests in? I have tests in most of the subject like what? Which subject do you have most tests in your subject? in your country, my dear? At your school? Did you have more tests in math? Okay, next. How do tests make you feel? How do tests make you feel, my dear? What did you feel
it
when
nice?
you took a test? What did you feel?
Hết rồi. Vâng. Sao? Đâu cho anh một viên. Sao bảo mẹ? Ô mẹ con mẹ quả. Nhanh lên bảo mẹ cho anh một viên. Mang cả lọ đi sang đây. Cô Ninh lên.
What did you
Ủa?
feel when you took the test, my dear? What did you feel? How do tests make you feel?
I don't know.
Are you feeling happy when you took a test in your school? Okay, next. Do you like? What is this, my dear?
Math.
Okay, 69 minus 24.
Đúng.
How about 34 plus 78?
Um. No.
Wow, good job. Very good, my dear. Good job. So that's all for today, my dear. So we will continue that on Friday. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye. See you on Friday. Good night.
Mình
Goodbye.